How you guys doing? This is Ijeoma Ibe Official. Today I'm going to be making spaghetti. The easiest way to make spaghetti, to make your spaghetti delicious. So I'm gonna start by cutting my meat into small pieces, and I'll be using shrimp too. I'll be using carrots, broccoli, red pepper, yellow pepper, green pepper. I will start by cutting them small pieces. Alright, this is my spaghetti. I have to boil it first. I have to boil the spaghetti. So after boiling the spaghetti, I have to sieve the spaghetti. Alright, time to start cooking. I add my olive oil. I add my onion. I spare tomato, fresh tomato. This is mushroom. This is shrimp. The shrimp is already cooked. And this is my pork meat. It's already cooked too. Broccoli. I add the carrot, the yellow pepper, green pepper. No, sorry, this is the red pepper, and the green pepper. I have to put some cubes, my Maggi cubes, and this is my crayfish. Complete seasoning and salt. So I have to stir and cover it for a few minutes. I add my pepper. So time to add the spaghetti. So this is the soy sauce. I add the soy sauce, then I have to turn everything together. Alright, see the look, the color. It's looking so good already. Please subscribe to my channel for more video at Ijeoma Ibe Official. See you on my next video. Bye.